Hi, I would like to show you my latest arrival. I have received a new Studer deck. It's the Studer B67, and this is the Studer B67 Mark II that I have. It's in very nice condition. This model was introduced by Willy Studer in 1975, and it's the first model that came out after the famous A80 that I also have. The A80 was introduced in 1970, and this unit is more compactly built. It has been in production until 1989. There have been 18 versions of this model produced throughout the years. It was very popular, for instance, with the BBC, who bought a lot of units. It's quite a heavy weight with 35 kilograms.
Allemaal in beweging gekomen, vooral na de Tweede Wereldoorlog. En we kijken naar het heden en een beetje proberen we te kijken naar de toekomst. Hoe Tom anderen die veel en veel armer zijn dan jij daarvan laat meedelen?
I'm going to show you the functions of the 6 buttons on the left of the deck. This button is the pause button. The pause button, you have to depress and hold it. It does not click into place. The next button is the fader start. You can enable it, and then all the local buttons are disabled, and the deck is supposed to be operated from a fader on a mixing console. Next button is the motor off button, and the take-up reel motor is disabled. As you can see, this is for easy slicing tape or dumping tape into a bin. Next button is the auto button, and the auto button does not work on this deck. It's supposed to detect a transparent tape at the beginning or end of a reel, and then automatically rewind or start playing when it senses the transparent tape. So I cannot show you that. This is the rewind autoplay button. When you press the button, the deck rewinds, and when you release the button, it starts play. This is, as I said, the Mark II. The Mark II has some additional features over the Mark I. Easier access to the tape heads for better marking and cleaning. It also has improved editing. The tape tension sensors are mechanically blocked in stop mode, and at the same time the break moment is automatically reduced. So it's also easy threading. There's a tape lifter defeat in wind mode. When you push both buttons forward and rewind, then you get the defeat mode, and then you hear the tape. It's like queuing. And when you just press stop or normal wind button, then the function stops. The spacing of the motors has been increased, so you now can use 282 millimeters spools, which can hold up to 1000 meters of tape. Of course, I'm talking about 50 micrometers tape. The tape tension adjustments are accessible from the top. You can drop out of record mode when pressing play. So you can switch from recording to playback with a touch of a button. The dump mode or spooling motor off mode is improved. the counter stops automatically when you select that, and the motor off switch can be activated in all operating modes. The reproduce amplifiers have additional filters which roll off frequencies above 20k, so you have a better noise figure. The timer roller, it's the roller on the right. The mass has been reduced and the roller is equipped with a ball bearing. The audio boards have been completely modified. I'm not going into details, but internally the audio boards have been modified. And some minor details like the power cable on the switch inside is soldered to the logic board. And last but not least, the recorder has been modified according to IEC recommendations. I have the 2-track, half-track with butterfly heads, 3 speeds, 9.5 centimeters, 19 centimeters and 38 centimeters per second. And I got it from Germany. It came in a crate. The deck has been fully recapped, and all aged parts, suspicious parts have been replaced. The pinch roller has been replaced, that kind of things. The brakes have been redone, etc, etc, etc. It has been calibrated. It has been calibrated for PER 528 tape, and it works very nice with that tape. The tape handling is very smooth. It's of course not as smooth as the A80, but that is of course one of the best, maybe the best tape handling in the industry. But it is very good. I have put it in a trolley because I wanted to play pancakes. All my PER 528s are in pancakes, of course.